Good morning to all of you and welcome back to my videos, and this video will be interesting than the rest of my videos because me and my brother will be spending a night on this big forest, and it will be a very difficult for me but not for him because this is my very first night camping in the forest. And with that words, I want to start my video. We have reached the place and now we'll be collecting our firewood. You know what? We sleep in the ground actually, and to warm ourselves is only with the fires. We bring clothes actually, but that is not enough because it is winter time. So what do you guys call this? This is a knife, we call it a knife. And I will be cutting down this wood. You know, it's not that hard, okay? And here is another tree, wood. I don't know, I can cut it in a few minutes, or maybe it will take a time, then I will leave it. Okay, I'll try. No. I will leave this big guy right here, or else we'll be running out of firewood. Ôi, ano ngay tên này từ đỉnh rạn đấy, anh ấy, kia, họ đi rồi, đây, ini what? Anh chụp cái hết nổ, anh đây trên này, to đi, để ra cho anh đi này. Okay, we try our best to collect a big firewood as much as we can, and this is what we get. And look at our natural bed sheet. It's really good, you know. Here is a chef. He is good at cooking and he has to cook. Okay, as you can see, it's already dark, but you know what? Oh my God, it's coming. I will show you one thing, okay? This is a roof, and here we will be laying down tonight. And yes, this is the last cup of a tea for today. That is our pot, a natural pot. You should try it. Good morning and good morning. Yes, as you can hear, the bird was singing. I don't know where they hide. I can see none of them, not even a single, but I can hear the beautiful chirp. You know? Hello, can you see me? Hello, you can see me? Can you see me? Nothing. No. Bye-bye. Okay, so one second. And this is the only water. Water that we are cooking and the water that we are drinking. It's good, eh? Another tea early in the morning. And my brother is cooking. As you can see, the rice is ready, and now it's time for sabji. Hindi or Bengali, I don't know, but he is the chef. As you can see, it is raining now. It's raining. We had a bad luck. I think we might be caught in this forest. Okay, go away, rain. Okay, now suddenly the sun had come out. This is a place where a wild boar used to play. You know what? a wild boar used to play during the rainy season. They're taking bath here. You see, this is the place. There. Oh my god. Okay, now I will show you another thing. That is a plant, okay? It's a plant, but it is harmful to touch. Okay, this is the plant that I want to show you. Oh, this is a very dangerous, okay? As I have told you that this plant is a very dangerous plant. Yes, as you can see. You know what? If you touch this plant in this part, will nothing happen to you. But if you touch in the leaves, by accidentally you touch it, it will burn your hand, okay? I mean not in the leaf, exactly the border side of the leaf. The flower of this plant is more dangerous than the leaf if it's fall into your head. Okay? Your hair will surely fall down. These are its flowers. These. Now you can see. Okay. Bye bye, and don't follow me and stay there.